You don't happen to have kites here, do you?
Kites?
Yeah.
That's usually during summer.
What's up, guys? Today I thought I'd have a little fun and make something a little different than usual. I thought it'd be fun to see if we can fly a kite on the Z125. Right now I'm headed over to the Dollar Tree to buy myself a kite. So we're heading there now, gonna get the kites, and then we're gonna go fly. Alright, we're here. Time to find these kites. They have to be around here somewhere. I'll grab a couple of these. Quick question, I don't think you guys have kites, do you?
Not anymore.
Oh.
Just sent them back.
Okay, so I had no idea, but apparently kites are seasonal. And the Dollar Tree just got rid of them. So now off to Walmart, who never let me down. Hi. Good. How are you, sir?
Good.
Do you guys sell kites?
I do, but not this time of year.
Dang it. Asians love it. Okay, now, since we've had no luck at the Dollar Tree store and Walmart, because both of them have apparently discontinued selling kites for the season, we're going to try Walgreens. It's right down there somewhere, and it's going to be the final stop. Usually they never carry anything I need, which is why I assume that they might have kites. So, fingers crossed that Walgreens have a kite. Okay, there's Walgreens. Okay. Last option. If they don't have it here, I give up. Excuse me? You don't happen to have kites here, do you?
Kites?
Yeah.
That's usually during summer.
Okay, well, that concludes that. No kites, people. No kites at Walgreens, no kites at Walmart, and no kites at the Dollar Tree. No one has time for kites. Damn it. Well, people, I'm sorry to say it, but I think that'll conclude this episode. I have one of two options now. I can either make my own kite, which I don't know how to, and I mean, I've seen some videos, but I don't know how well it'll fly. Or I can order one online, which I might end up doing. There's a Dollar Tree here. I'm gonna try one last time, just in case. Oh! Hell yes! Yeah. Get this one. Ooh. This is so awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got some kites. I was about to give up, and then I go into this. Actually, I literally was giving up. I made a whole thanks for watching outro and everything. And, yeah, it was great disappointment. And then I saw this Dollar Tree, and I was like, I'm just gonna pull in and see what happens. And yes, we got two kites. So now we're off to find a spot where we can fly them and hopefully not get in trouble. Oh, this should be interesting. Okay, so I came to this random high school. I think this might actually be a good spot for us to fly our kites. Let's start with this Fun Kite Kerf Volant, whatever the hell that is. It said 22 inches. Yes, that's what 22 inches looks like. Right, ladies? Oh, look at that. We're already flying a kite. Okay, so this is how you fly a kite on a Kawasaki Z125. Got the kite there in the launch pad backpack. Got the handle there. Gonna get it on the bike over here. Here we go. Is it flying? Oh no, it's dragging. Oh no! Oh, it is flying. It is flying. There we go. make it. Oh yes. There we go. No. No, it's releasing more. Let's see if this works out. I don't think it will, but oh no! We lost the kite. Let's set this up again. So our princess took a little bruising, but I think she should still be able to fly. Okay, I fixed the kite. Let's try again. Oh no, the breeze is like changed. It was blowing that way, but now it's blowing that way. Oh well. Alright, let's do this. Damn it! Yes! It's flying! How the hell do I release more string? Come on! Yes! Damn it. It ripped. Okay. Oh, and it died. Based on how the other one flew, I don't know if this one's gonna fly any better. I have like wishful thinking, but I think it's just being desperate and hoping for the best. Here we go. Oh man, it's going insane. It's not flying, but it's doing that. Okay, this isn't working out. Okay guys, that'll conclude this. Stupid kite. Well guys, that was flying the kites. That did not work out as well as I was hoping it would. My expectations weren't high, but I didn't expect it to go that bad. But it definitely seemed like the Princess Pink Castle kite flew a lot better than the Stormtrooper kite, which was a little disappointing, but understandable. I guess that'll conclude today's episode. If you enjoyed this waste of time and failure of flying the kites, give me the thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you have any thoughts, ideas, suggestions, or grievances, leave those in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, guys. You will have a wonderful day. See ya!